Welcome to a journey through the whimsical world of bohemian living rooms, where every corner tells a story and creativity knows no bounds. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to step into a space that feels like a warm embrace from the world, where adventure, culture, and comfort intertwine? Well, that's precisely the essence of a boho living room, a sanctuary that defies traditional design rules and invites you to unleash your imagination. So, grab your favorite beverage, cozy up, and let's embark on an exploration of 15 inspiring boho living room ideas for 2024. Lantern-style boho lighting fixtures. Imagine being greeted by the warm, enchanting glow of lantern-style lighting fixtures as you enter your boho sanctuary. Inspired by cultures from around the world, these intricate designs cast mesmerizing patterns on your walls and floors, transporting you to distant lands and ancient bazaars. Not only do they illuminate your space, but they also serve as works of art, infusing your living room with worldly sophistication and unrefined elegance. Cozy boho knit accessories. Picture yourself wrapped in the embrace of chunky knit blankets and throws, each one a testament to comfort and style. Whether draped over your sofa or nestled in a woven basket, these cozy knits add a touch of homemade luxury to your bohemian sanctuary, inviting you to curl up with a good book and unwind. Rug eclectic, patterns and textures. Step onto a tapestry of style with a mix of patterned and textured throw rugs that ground your space and spark your imagination. Each rug tells a story, weaving together a symphony of colors and designs that invite you to kick off your shoes and let your creativity roam free. Boho throw pillows. Add a pop of color and culture with sari fabric, throw pillows that whisper tales of faraway lands and timeless craftsmanship. These vibrant accents break the monotony of neutral sofas, infusing your living room with warmth and personality. Boho coffee table. Discover the soul of your boho living room in a vintage, distressed wood coffee table that bears the marks of 100 stories. Paired with plush cushions and soft, natural light, this centerpiece becomes a cozy nook for heartfelt conversations and quiet contemplation. Macrame plant holders, boho chic. Bring nature indoors with hanging macrame plant holders that infuse your space with earthy warmth and laid-back luxury. These intricate creations not only purify the air but also add texture and vibrancy to every corner of your boho sanctuary. Boho hanging chair. Bliss. Lose yourself in relaxation as you sway gently in a woven rattan hanging chair adorned with plush cushions and surrounded by lush greenery. More than just a seating option, this statement piece becomes the focal point of your boho living room, inviting you to unwind and recharge. Sheer boho curtains. Let the light in with sheer white curtains that create a soft, ethereal glow and add a touch of whimsy to your boho oasis. As they flutter in the breeze, these gauzy textiles bring movement and life to your space, embodying the spirit of freedom and fluidity central to boho chic. Eclectic gallery wall decor. Transform your living room into a gallery of memories with an eclectic mix of media art and vintage frames that tell stories of love, adventure, and creativity. This curated wall becomes a reflection of your personal taste and a conversation starter for guests. Bold boho accent balpri. Make a statement with a bohemian tapestry that adds a burst of life and color to your living space. As the backdrop of your boho sanctuary, this bold accent wall draws everyone's attention and infuses your space with personality and warmth. Boho seating and pillows. Sink into low-level modular seating adorned with lush, vibrant throw pillows that invite comfort and style. Layered abundantly, these pillows become the soul of your boho living room, each one a testament to your unique story and personality. Earthy elegance. Wood and metal. Integrate natural wood and metallic accents into your boho living room for a touch of rustic charm and sophisticated glamour. This blend of materials adds depth and character to your space, creating a cozy retreat that is both stylish and inviting. Pallet coffee table with wheels. Embrace sustainable living with a DIY pallet coffee table on caster wheels that combines rustic charm with practical mobility. This unique piece becomes the focal point of your living room, inviting guests to gather around and share stories. Terracotta decor accents. Add warmth and texture to your boho sanctuary with terracotta pottery pieces that embody the essence of earth-inspired aesthetics. These rustic accents bring a sense of grounding tranquility to your space, inviting relaxation and reflection. Vintage ladder blanket storage. Repurpose a vintage ladder as a unique blanket holder that adds both style and functionality to your boho living room. Positioned against a wall or in a cozy corner, this ladder becomes a visual focal point and a testament to creative living. As we conclude our journey through the enchanting world of boho living rooms, remember that the essence of boho is not just in following trends, but in crafting a space that reflects your unique story and invites creativity, relaxation, and endless inspiration. So, go ahead, embrace the bohemian spirit, and let your imagination soar. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay inspired.